I created a drop shipping website called coolsocks.cc. I knew I wanted to sell socks and I wanted to explore more about drop shipping. Um, I started out actually by searching for a domain name. I used Namecheap. I searched here for socks and browsed for a couple hours, different options. I found when starting a project, sometimes if you don't know what it should be called, it's easiest to search for domain names first. Because if you if you're set on a business name and then you go search for a domain name, you might be out of luck because a lot of domains are no longer available. But if you start by looking for a good domain name, you can turn that into a business name. Anyway, I thought at first that I was going to use Weebly. They have some e-commerce features and a template site builder, but as I started, it turned out to be really complicated. So I researched some more and found Shopify, which provides similar features, but it was a lot easier to use for me. Um, it allows me to set up an online store and customize the pages. I could choose a theme, and I could manage orders. I found another website that integrates with Shopify called Oberlo, which allows me to manage products, um, and it links directly to AliExpress, and it also links back to CoolSocks or to Shopify. So I was able to pull products from AliExpress and push them to Shopify by using Oberlo. Um, I was able to manage orders here as well. I had one order, which was myself. I ordered to see what the process was like and make sure my site worked, and it did work. The shipment took longer than I expected, which was good to know because I was able to put a notice on my site to let people know, just so I wouldn't get a lot of complaints when people ordered socks and they took longer than expected to arrive. But this whole process allowed me to provide socks at a really good price, um, and with really good tools that I learned about: Oberlo, Shopify, AliExpress, which I'd never bought stuff from before. Um, so I have a page for each product. People can choose their style, um, different categories of products, or the full catalog here. These are just items I found on AliExpress that had good reviews. When you go to AliExpress, you can kind of see a number of stars, and I just chose several of those and added them to the site. I have my cart here, which I don't currently have anything in, but see, I could add something to my cart here. And it all works pretty well thanks to Shopify in big measure, taking care of a lot of things for me. So I would definitely recommend that. Um, yeah, I think that's my site. So thanks for listening.